Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Subtitle can make YouTube videos easier to understand and more enjoyable, especially in your preferred language. Today I will show you how to effortlessly change subtitle language on desktop, mobile and YouTube TV. Let's get started. First, go to YouTube and play any video you like. Then click on Subtitles / Closed Captions CC to see subtitles in the video's original language. If you want subtitles in your preferred language, click on Setting, then select Subtitles / CC. Next, choose Auto Translation and select your desired language. If you like to customize the font size, style and color, click on Setting, go to Settings / CC and then click on Options. Here you can select your preferred font size, style and color. That's how you can change subtitle languages and customize font style across various devices on YouTube. If this video helps, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.